Let's find out how to make a biotop fish tank. In this video tutorial, the first ingredient is dried guava leaves. Guava leaves have antibacterial functions and release tannin for fish tanks. Guava leaves also contribute to creating black watercolor for fish tanks. The next ingredient is dried almond leaves. Almond leaves contain flavonoids. This is a substance that helps make biotop fish tank water black. There is a flavonoid that almond leaves have a lot of, which is quercetin. Quercetin has antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping fish heal wounds on the skin and fins faster. The next ingredient is alder pine nuts. Alder pine nuts also have the same effect as almond leaves and are often placed in shrimp tanks for decoration or to help improve water quality for shrimp. The next ingredient is natural forest roots. Natural forest tree roots are used to decorate biotop fish tanks. The next ingredient is stream sand. Stream sand is used to cover the substrate for biotope aquariums. It is a habitat for beneficial microorganisms. The next ingredient is large pebbles. Biotop fish tank decorated with large pebbles is a fairly simple plain style, but also sophisticated in arrangement and layout so that it is harmonious and natural. Start how to make a simple biotop fish tank. Spread a layer of stream sand on the base about 3 to 5 centimeters thick. Arrange large pebbles as the main composition. Add small grained stream gravel. Pour water, add dry leaves and natural forest roots. And let's see the finished result. A biotop aquarium is a type of aquarium designed and built to simulate a specific natural habitat. The goal of a biotop aquarium is to recreate an ecosystem within the aquarium, creating an environment that closely resembles the natural habitat of fish and other living organisms biotop aquariums call